Hello everyone, my name is Amber and I'm the Youth Services Assistant at the Boyle County Public Library. Welcome to Tween DIY. Today I'm going to be showing you all how to knit with a cardboard roll. Make sure you have your bag of supplies and find a good place to set up. If you weren't able to get a grab bag, you can gather these supplies from around your house and follow along. Here's what: a cardboard roll, yarn, 2 popsicle sticks, tape, and scissors. Step 1. Cut or break 2 popsicle sticks in half and position the 4 pieces evenly around your cardboard roll. Tape them in place. Step 2. Drop the end of your yarn down the center of the cardboard roll, letting a 4 to 5 inch tail hang out the bottom. Step 3. Working from the ball of yarn, wrap the yarn around 1 popsicle stick once in a clockwise direction. Then take your yarn to the second popsicle stick, winding it once in a clockwise direction. Move on to the third and fourth sticks in the same manner, wrapping them around in a clockwise direction. Nudge the yarn down to the bottom of the stick and start knitting. Step 4. Lay your yarn across the first popsicle stick, just above the stitch that you cast on. With your fingers, hook the lower stitch and gently pull it out over the stitch above it and all the way off the stick. Let it fall to the other side. Gently pull the tail of the yarn to tighten each stitch a little bit. Continue around your loom to each popsicle stick. Lay the yarn across, pull the bottom stitch up and over the yarn above it and off the end of the stick. Remember to give the tail of yarn a tug from time to tighten the stitches. Continue with this until it reaches a length that you're happy with. Step 5. Cut your yarn, leaving a tail at least 6 inches long. Each of your sticks should have just 1 stitch remaining on it, and these stitches will form little loops once removed. Gently pull the loop off of the popsicle stick and then thread the tail of yarn through it. Proceed around the loom until all of the loops are off. Gently pull on the tail and close the loops and tie a knot to secure everything in place. This is what it looks like. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay tuned next Friday at 4 for a new Tween DIY. Please share any pictures of your craft with us on our Facebook and Instagram.